Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Zillow. They're looking for a computer vision intern. It pays up to $140,000 a year. About the team, today, Zillow is where people dream about their next chapter. We're working on turning those dreams into a reality where you can find a home, a loan, a rental, and so much more all in one place. Can you imagine your next move being a delight from first thought to move-in date? We are making new promises and changing what we deliver. We're grounding ourselves in customer insights and imagining how we can design home transactions and moving experiences that match the dream. We are bringing a new service model to real estate that combines the power of convenient, on-demand digital moments with real-life, human-driven experiences. About the role, we are looking for multiple interns across different marketing teams. Zillow has built an in-house creative agency, Studio C, that drives the vision and development of compelling brand, B2C and B2B marketing communications for all customer touchpoints in the US. We are responsible for understanding business and cultural insights to deliver delightful experiences to our customers that drive our brand and business results. Employer brand and talent attraction is the marketing function for the People org. Instead of selling Zillow products and services to customers, we sell our culture and job opportunities to candidates. Our team is focused on mirroring the experience so employees and customers experience one Zillow, building a data-savvy brand and marketing function within the People org so we can capture and move meaningful metrics, and strengthening our story throughout our marketing and communications so that Zillow stands out and is better able to compete for talent. Zillow Research and Insights is a multidisciplinary team of user experience practitioners, including customer and partner insight strategists, UX researchers, and behavioral scientists. We all play a significant role within the greater product and marketing organizations. CRI sits within Zillow Experience Design, a fast-paced, collaborative, and driven product design team. We build useful, usable, and innovative experiences for Zillow customers. These experiences live across web, mobile, and internal software platforms. Our team cares deeply about solving problems for real people, customers, partners, co-workers, and everyone else. We seek to make everything a little better than we found it. Some example projects include, as a talent marketing intern, you create day-in-the-life videos to depict what it's like to work on specific teams at Zillow and translate longer video content into 10-second social media sound bites. As an insight strategist intern, you support key research projects that inform our understanding of consumer perceptions of the Zillow brand. You conduct a deep dive analysis to understand differences in perceptions of rentals websites and how those perceptions may change over time. This role has been categorized as a remote position. Remote employees do not have a permanent corporate office workplace and instead work from a physical location of their choice, which must be identified to the company. Employees may live in any of the 50 US states with limited exceptions. In certain cases, an employee in a remote designated job may need to live in a specific region or time zone to support customers or clients as part of their role. In Colorado, Connecticut, Nevada, and New York City, the standard base pay range for this role is $20, $50 hourly. This base pay range is specific to Colorado, Connecticut, Nevada, and New York City and may not be applicable to other locations. If you are currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in marketing, digital marketing, advertising, marketing analytics, social sciences, or a related field. Anticipated graduation date between December 2023 and June 2025. Hands-on self-starter who flourishes with autonomy while collaborating with partners to drive impact. Familiar with survey software and qualitative and quantitative research. Dynamic communicator with proven track record to share complex messages concisely to diverse audiences. Proficient in Google Suite. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, Don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.